Hello everyone and welcome to another session of the live virtual training. In this session, we will learn about the Unified Modeling Language, which is also called as the UML. The UML is nothing but an object modeling and specification language used in software engineering. But nowadays, UML is also used for business analysis. It has got its wide use in business analysis because it is used to analyze and develop existing and proposed models of the business and IT solutions that support it. It is also used to elicit, clarify, and validate solution requirements with their stakeholders. It is also used to communicate effectively with solution developers. What is UML? UML stands for Unified Modeling Language. It is an industry standard graphical language for specifying, visualizing, constructing, and documenting the artifacts of software systems. The UML uses mostly graphical notations to express the OO analysis and design of software projects. It simplifies the complex process of software design. Now we have this model describing the model's views and diagrams, which includes use case diagrams, class diagrams, object diagrams, component diagrams, deployment diagrams, activity diagrams, state chart diagrams, collaboration diagrams, sequence diagrams. Now we will discuss a few diagrams among this. To begin with, the use case diagrams. Use case diagrams are used during requirements elicitation to represent behavior. The use case model is the set of all use cases. It is a complete description of the functionality of the system and its environment. Now we have the class diagram. Class diagram gives an overview of the system by showing its class and the relationship among them. Class diagrams are static. They display what interacts but not what happens when they do interact. That also shows attributes and operations of each class. It is a good way to describe the overall architecture of system components. And the last one is the state chart diagrams. It shows the sequence of states an object goes through during its life cycle. In response to stimuli, together with responses and actions, an abstraction of all possible behaviors. Now, we'll be discussing about the next diagrams in a continued session. To end with, there are some rules to be followed for constructing these state diagrams. The first one is draw only one object time chart at a time. A state is drawn as a box with rounded corner. From each corner draw an arrow to another state if the object can change state from one to the another in one step. Label the arrow with the event that causes it. And the last rule is show the end state by drawing an arrow to a circle with a filled circle inside it. That's all for this session.